Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Gerald Weatherspoon, Chair of the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry here at George Mason University. On behalf of the department and all of the College of Science, I would invite each and every student, whether you're an undergrad or a graduate student, to give serious thought about pursuing science here at George Mason. We have some dynamic instructors, we have some dynamic researchers here. So first, within the College of Science, within our department, we have research areas that are divided into three basic groups, and they cater to our undergrad and our grad population. On the Fairfax campus, which is where we are today, in a very nice climate and humidity today, on the Fairfax campus we have our materials research emphasis in chemistry. So we have the materials chemistry concentration, which is a very new concentration within our department. We have some dynamic faculty that are just ready, willing, and able to mentor you. We have battery research taking place. That's with Dr. Chow Luo. We have new solid state and organic materials research taking place with Dr. Xiaoyan Tan. So if you are interested in learning about synthesis of solid state materials, ferroelectrics, ferromagnetics, and things of that nature, you definitely want to reach out to her. If you're interested in nanomaterials and nanosynthesis and nanocrystals, we have Dr. Hao Jing that has his research lab here in Planetary Hall. And then one of the most recent ones we have, an area that we didn't have in the past, we have Dr. Andre Claiborne. And the exciting thing about having him on board is that he does computational and materials chemistry all at the same time. So for those of you that have played around and you've done some coding in the past and you want to understand how these molecules come together in terms of the self-assembly or how the layering effects take place so that we develop new and interesting materials, Dr. Andre Claiborne and his computational physical chemistry side would be the one you would want to look at. Our second area of research emphasis, the faculty that are out on the SciTech campus in Manassas, would be our biomedical thrust people. So we have out there a new faculty member, Dr. Liana Suresh-Shafran, and she does bio 3D printing. So that allows you to take your bioengineering aspects of things as well as your biochemistry, and then you can take advantage of those components as well and do research in her lab. We have Dr. Barney Bishop, who's been with us for a while. If you Google him, you will see that he's done some things with alligators and other things, trying to figure out how the beta defensins and other things work so that we can improve our outcomes long term. We have Dr. Robin Couch and Dr. Michael Page that are also involved in the biomedical research thrust areas out there on that campus. And one is focusing on some COPD type work, so they have research funding for those particular areas. And then our third research area, which is down at Potomac Science Center, that's where our environmental chemistry and sustainability faculty have their research labs. It's also referred to as PERIC. We have Dr. Gregory Foster down there, as well as Dr. Benoit Van Aken. So if you're interested in the fate of materials, how organics interact with the environment, how you can detect then ppm levels actually of some of these pollutants miles downstream, you definitely want to reach out to them. They have undergrad research opportunities in their particular labs as well.